Welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. So good evening.
Good evening, actually.
Yeah, that's great. Let's highlight now. What is the principle when there is a name?
Just go to
Go to the
highlight
name. Go to the
name.
name, right? Just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the hedging word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text.
Yes, Father.
Whenever there are opinion questions or controversial questions, agreement, disagreement, just ignore all other opinions. Okay, only that person's opinion you have to look into. And usually, normally, there could be exceptions. If there are the name is repeated. Question some gives one name, and as it is here, if the name is repeated more than once, the latest name will have the answer, direct answer. Second option, if there are two names, with the second option, there will be the answer. Let's see here. This is one question. Okay. Now you see here, the Philippe Hujoel's comments in the first paragraph indicate that he believes. What are the hedging words in the question stem?
Philippe.
The name, okay. Whenever there is a name is important.
First paragraph.
Believe.
Yeah, first paragraph. For beginners, that is also important. You have to mark the paragraph. As soon as you get the text, reading part C, you have to number the paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, whatever. Immediately. Then later on, you need not mark this as the hedging word because you know it. Indicate that he believes. Believes says that is his opinion, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, no one knows how to prevent plague. What is the concept-based hedging word?
Subject.
Concept-based hedging word?
Subject. Prevent
plague. Okay. That is concept-based hedging word. Second one, everyone has plague on their teeth. Has plague, okay? Has plague. That's the concept, right? Third one, only fluoride can remove plague. Yeah, can remove plague. Or remove plague, whatever. Plague is impossible to remove.
Impossible.
Okay, now differentiating hedging word.
No one.
No one.
No one. What is it? It's an absolute, right?
Everyone.
Everyone is an absolute. That is a differentiating hedging word, keyword. Only is an absolute. Okay? So you have three absolutes. Everyone has plague. Absolute. No one knows how to prevent plague. Absolute. Impossible. Again, absolute. See the beauty? Then you may ask, Father, there is impossible is absolute, right? Impossible. 100%. There is nothing called maybe impossible or something like that. You get me? So how do you apply? This is an opinion. Opinion, anyone can say anything. When I am not happy with the health professionals, I can say all these health professionals are crooked people, right? Sorry, I don't mean it. Okay? Somebody can say that. That's not a factual statement. There is no right and wrong. That's somebody's opinion. Right? Okay, so believes. Now let's see. Now there is another option. Now when there is such incidents, you have another elimination process. What is that? I said one is absolutes, other one is
Quite opposite.
Quite opposites, right? Quite
Quite opposite.
opposites. Yeah. So if you have for this situation, when it is beliefs, you cannot work on absolute, because when you have belief opinion, absolutes doesn't work. Now, do you have opposites here? Quite opposites, two options. What is this?
Remove plaque and impossible to remove.
Yeah. Remove plaque. Can remove plaque and
Impossible.
impossible to
Remove.
plaque remove.
Remove.
If there are two opposites, what happens to the other two?
Easily, immediately eliminate.
Eliminated. So that is known as our quotated principle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So immediately two are eliminated. Now you have to find the answer from only these two. Option C and D. It becomes easier for you, right? 50% easier.
Yes. Okay, Father.
Yeah, please.
If your toothpaste is fluoride free, brushing and flossing alone are not enough to keep cavities away, according to a recent study. The fluoride is what helps you avoid cavities, says lead researcher Philippe Hujoel, PhD, a textile periodontist and professor of oral health science at the University of Washington. Is not simply keeping the teeth cleaner. For years, the dental professionals have debated the importance of the clean tooth hypothesis versus the sound tooth, the hypothesis in preventing cavities. Those in the first camp say good oral hygiene will remove the sticky film of acid-producing plaque that break down the enamel and allows cavity-causing bacteria to invade the teeth. Others argue that brushing and flossing, no matter how intense, is not enough to prevent cavities. If the plaque is inaccessible and you cannot get to it. Hujoel says, while oral hygiene may help a bit, it's the fluoride that makes the difference in getting to the plaque and breaking it down. He says, cavities begin in tiny cracks and crevices in the enamel. Exactly how fluoride helps prevent cavities is not certain, according to Hujoel. There is some evidence it may inhibit the enzymes that break down the tooth, he says. In general, experts believe fluoride helps restore minerals to the enamel, helps strengthen the tooth, and even helps reverse the early cavity process.
Okay. Where you have name?
Go to the name.
One name here. Anywhere else?
Tenth
Tenth
sentence.
Line.
Okay. Hujoel says. Okay.
And the second last one.
This one is. Okay. Now, this is, what is this?
Complement.
Subject complement. You can just ignore it.
Complement.
Okay. Now, what is this? It's not simply keeping the teeth cleaner for years. Dental professionals have debated. Are they asking what dental professionals believe?
No.
No.
So we don't require that, right? What they are debating. Okay. Dental professionals debate don't require, because we are not asked about their debate, their opinion. We are asked about Philippe Hujoel's opinion. Those in the first camp, there are two camps, which one camp says the importance of the clean tooth hypothesis, other one says sound tooth hypothesis. So first camp means dental professionals in one group, right? There are two groups. So again, this is first camp. Those in the first camp say, do we require first camp people? Others. Others' opinion. Do we require others' opinion?
No.
No. So you see, all these can be just ignored. Others say all this plague is still here. Because the opinion of Hujoel is required for us, right? So other opinions just ignore. Okay, first he says if you are to toothpaste is fluoride free, brushing and flossing alone aren't enough to keep cavities away according to a recent study.
Okay.
Okay, the fluoride is what helps you avoid cavities. Only fluoride can remove plaque. Here it says, Hujoel says lead researcher Philippe Hujoel. The fluoride is what helps you avoid cavities. What is the C option?
Only fluoride can remove.
Only fluoride can remove plaque. It is not speaking about fluoride and plaque, fluoride and cavities. Okay, suddenly you can feel that is the fluoride is what helps you avoid cavities, not plaque. That is not same. Okay, this is plaque. Do you get me? This is cavities. This trick is used in many questions. Okay, they are speaking about cavities. Here they are speaking about, in the option they are speaking about plaque. Sounds same, but they are not. So is this the opinion of Philippe Hujoel?
No, further.
No. In the beginning itself says Philippe Hujoel. This is the opinion of, what is in the text is the opinion of Philippe Hujoel, right? See, Philippe Hujoel says, yeah. So this is his opinion. You understand?
Yes, further.
Yeah. So he says fluoride helps to avoid cavities, but the three options says only fluoride can remove plaque. Do you understand? Plaque is not cavity. There are two problems, dental problems. For example, the text says paracetamol can heal cancer or heal malaria. Okay, text says paracetamol can heal malaria, but option says paracetamol can heal cancer. Are they same?
No, further.
Yeah. This trick will be paid in many questions. Okay, it sounds same. So if you know how to read, immediately first name is there. This Hujoel's opinion is opposite to C option. So C option is eliminated, right? Then do you need to read other things?
No.
Not required. Not required. The plaque is, if you want, see the correct answer is given here.
Plaque is inaccessible.
This is inaccessible and you can't get to it. Impossible to remove. If you can't get to it, how will you remove? Not accessible at all. Do you understand? There is a real answer in the with the second name. First name helps you to eliminate third option. Even if you don't eliminate it, come here to the name, second name. Okay? And find the answer. See, again, it is stressed here. Exactly how fluoride helps prevent cavities is not sure. How fluoride prevent cavities is not certain, according to Hujoel. Option C says opposite, right? You have to write down all these things and practice, then you will get competency. Initial stage, it will be a bit challenging. Do you understand? Now, exactly how fluoride helps prevent cavities is not certain according to Hujoel. But option C says only fluoride can remove plaque. They are asking, in the question time, they have asked Philippe Hujoel's belief or his opinion, what he says. He says just opposite. Fluoride, how fluoride helps prevent cavities is not certain at all. We don't know. But the third statement is absolute statement saying only fluoride can remove plaque. But Hujoel says you can't, the plaque is inaccessible and you can't get to it.
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Defeat your enemy. You have to eliminate all these and find out and read and write once in the initial stages. That will help you. Okay. Elimination quite opposites. Yeah, that's what I said. Opposites. The third and fourth option are quite opposites. And only fluoride can remove plaque. That is opposite. Sure, and text says not sure, uncertain. Okay, Hujoel says exactly how fluoride helps prevent cavities is not certain, means not sure. Plaque is impossible to remove. Is Hujoel's the plaque is inaccessible and you can't get to it, means you cannot remove it. Fourth option is the answer. Fourth.